Oh no! It's currently 10 minutes past 6 in the morning.
Absolutely, man.
That's cool.
It's got the glass lights that I wanted anyway.
But I actually forgot the toolbox.
And steering wheel.
And steering wheel.
So we've got to use a Chinese steering wheel.
All the way south of the UK, and then we've got to drive this car that we're just going to turn up, go, yep, it starts, good, run, buy it.
Oh, you're picking us up in it.
Dude.
Don't need to know about that.
Everything is wrong with it. It's like a Bible verse.
Fine.
What?
15 quid.
Wait, what?
So
There's just more fucking bread. So, explain where we currently are.
About as far south as we can get. Yeah, we could be stuck in Southampton in the middle of an absolute downpour.
Yeah. What, a warning or something? For a storm?
Just hope the wipers work.
The wipers work and it doesn't fucking leak.
Level up.
Right, show me what's inside of your bag. He's got all of the supplies needed to last him for the day.
Airbag for a Mazda with no airbag detonator.
Why?
Bottle.
Yep. I thought I'd been that. Why the... Why?
Keys for a broken car that I don't own anymore. Yeah.
You just brought this from home?
Yeah.
Autism.
Yeah.
Last 387 they ever made. Is there this rotten bridge?
Oh my god, there it is.
Oh my god, there it is.
Fine, it's fine, it's fine.
We embark on our long journey all the way up north. We need to go and get some supplies. Got my inbred farmer's jacket. Oh man. God damn. And independence, not something you'd really want to flex. Oh, slightly shat seats as well. That's first. No, that was third, that was first. This whole neutral.
This car's mint!
Look how many owners. Oh. You can see he's been doing some body work in here. You got 500. Can I keep that?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Dude, can I keep all of this? Dude, this all good. Oh shit, you get service history. More fucking sandpaper. Right, whoever was doing this at least knows the bodywork and knew to get P. Oh my fucking god, it's the middle of summer. It just split the fucking windscreen. It's got the wrong gauges inside of it. And they randomly die. No problem. No problem. I gotta investigate. 530 C3. Okay. Oh man. How much did we spend on this car?
Up in 250 quid.
But the reason why we were so concerned about getting a full tank into the car by slapping the bottom of the fuel tank as we drive along.
Yeah, that's about right.
Screen washing, it fucking stinks like ass right now. We've been driving for hour and a half, and we've used no fuel. It actually gets, yeah, it gets 999.9 miles to the gap. Are we heading towards that massive rain cloud? The windscreen wipers, no! They kind of work. You go all the way off to the side over there though. It's just informed me this is as fast as they go. There might be something wrong. As soon as I turn the rear fog on, the radio's turned off and the gauge cluster's doing funky shit.
And the revs went mental.
Yes. Maybe we just like leave them turned off. Come on mate, could you fucking send it?
Yeah, it's being sent.
Oh. Almost 70. Oh my. Problem. No.
Silence.
What is that? Dude, that one's sick. There's a baby on board sticker. Dude, fucking Dude, I need myself a fucking roll over sausage roll right now. Mate, there's just something different about it, you know? Oh yes, get me over there. Get that thick sausage. Felix says the brakes have come back. Hey, they have come back. The seat is now broken.
Or it's just friends.
Yeah, no problem. For fuck's sake!
One will do fine.
Just here, be fine.
How the fuck is this even? What manner of bad thing has happened to my wipers?
Okay, we have now fixed the boo-boo. Let's get going now. Also, they now work way better. That one was also about to fall off. Come on! Up to my lowest speeds, 55! Whoa! 70! Whoa, 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 whoa! Chill out, man, chill out! We'll get caught by the LAFPD, man! Wait, just past Jeremy Clarkson's pub! Also, we just passed Jeremy Clarkson. The myth, the motherfucking legend.
He's out. I think I found the...
Oh shit!
There we go.
Fuck!
There we go.
What? Radio is getting worse, guys. It's now completely... The seat might be a little bit fucked.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Yeah, get that cranking action. Yeah. No problem. No problem. No problem. It says stop. Stop. Stop immediately or die. Most people would pull over and probably check out why there's the check engine light that's on. We ball. We carry on, we carry on. Okay, and now we've just lost the... Hey, never mind. It's back again. More recently. Okay, yeah, we're fine. It's fine. Just... Oh, it just got... Oh, every light on the dash just came up.
Hopefully make it back.
Turn right onto
We got the radio back. Come on, we got the radio back. Stinks.
Oh,
no! It's coming in. Ah! Ew, it stinks. It's so disgusting. That's like some proper like fucked sock cheese, mate. That's bad. You don't think it's ignition?
No.
Oh shit, the check engine light. And it's gone away. Don't worry about it. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
This fine, no problem. There we go.
3/4 of a mile at the roundabout. Take the second exit.
Engine light has just come and gone.
Yeah, it does that.
We drive to the Netherlands.
I won't do it. It turns back on as soon as the gauge has come back.
As soon as the gauge has come back.
Yeah.
There we go. Yes. We are going. We're going.
Oh,
Hey!
I mean, if you insist.
We are doing what speed? Yes. All of the. All of the speed. What are you? Oh! Oh, it didn't do that time. How can you do... Why does it do that? Okay, so situation update. We can now no longer use the windscreen wipers.
No, not.
Dude, this is more like a modern car. Modern car luxuries. You gotta pay for that shit. But it's back again. You know, you haven't paid your subscription. And sometimes you get mileage, and sometimes you get radio, but not always. Well, we're back again.
You hear that loud noise from the fuse box down there?
Yes, there was a big buzzing sound from there, and a few sparks flew out, but we don't worry about that. The Lion does not concern himself with the sparks. That's.
The fucking gear linkage just fell off.
Oh my god. Oh no, mate, it's fully gone. Fully gone. Yeah, the linkage is gone. The whole linkage just came out from underneath the car. Completely gone. Oh well. Where it's fucking... Oh no! Oh. So guys, there's the answer. How far can the cheapest Peugeot 106 in the UK get you? And it is exactly 250 miles. How far does it get you?
Give it a sec.
Give it a sec. Oh, the woman.
Give it a sec. A minute.
Please guys, subscribe for more if you're interested in this type of stuff.
It ain't gonna make it, it's just gonna mash the clutch.
Come on, get up there, you bastard, you! We walk. Come on, now we walk home.